Welcome to Owell's The Rhyme Bible Storybook Read Aloud series. This story is adapted from the book 1 Kings chapter 16 to 18. Elijah and the Prophets. Elijah, the prophet, went to see the king. He went with a message God wanted him to bring. There won't be any rain, and there won't be any dew, for you worship idols, and your wife does too. God sent Elijah to live by a brook. There wasn't any food, but he didn't have to look, for God sent ravens with some bread and meat. So he drank from the brook, and he had enough to eat. Three years passed, and the land was very dry. Elijah met the king on a mountain nearby. He said to the king, "Now here's what we'll do. It's time to find out which God is true." The prophets of Baal danced all around. They prayed to their God, but he didn't make a sound. Elijah joked, "Could your God be asleep?" So they shouted even louder, but they didn't hear a peep. Elijah stepped forward, and after he had prayed, fire fell from heaven to the altar he had made. It burned up the altar, the stones, and the sod, so the people all shouted, "The Lord, He is God!" Elijah prayed for rain with his face to the ground. At first, there were no clouds, and he didn't hear a sound. But then, the sky grew black, and the wind began to blow, and down came the rain to the thirsty land below. The end. Thank you for watching. This is Elijah and the Prophets from the Rhyme Bible Storybook.